Moonshot is a platform designed to simplify the process of discovering and investing in emerging cryptocurrencies, particularly meme coins, which are known for their high volatility and potential for rapid gains. Here's how you can potentially make money using Moonshot. Understand the platform. Moonshot overview. Moonshot aggregates data on new and trending cryptocurrencies, providing users with insights into potential high-growth investments. It offers tools and analytics to help identify tokens that might experience significant price increases, often referred to as moonshots. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Choose a compatible wallet. To interact with decentralized exchanges where many emerging tokens are listed, you will need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Secure your wallet. Ensure you follow best practices for securing your wallet, including safeguarding your private keys and enabling two-factor authentication. Fund your wallet. Purchase base cryptocurrency. Acquire base cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Binance Coin, which are commonly used to trade for new tokens. You can purchase these on major exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Transfer funds. After purchasing, transfer your base cryptocurrency to your personal wallet to prepare for trading on DEXs. Research potential investments. Utilize Moonshot's tools. Leverage Moonshot's analytics to identify new and trending tokens. Pay attention to metrics such as trading volume, liquidity, and community engagement. Conduct due diligence. Investigate the legitimacy of the projects you're interested in. Look into the development team, project goals, and community feedback to assess potential risks. Execute trades on decentralized exchanges. Connect your wallet to a DEX. Platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap allow you to trade directly from your wallet. Swap tokens. Use your base cryptocurrency to exchange for the desired token. Ensure you're aware of the transaction fees and slippage tolerance settings to optimize your trade. Implement risk management strategies. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid concentrating your investments in a single token. Diversification can help mitigate potential losses. Set profit targets and stop-loss orders. Define clear profit-taking and loss-cutting points to manage your investments effectively. Stay informed. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments and stay updated with market news and trends. Be cautious of scams. Recognize red flags. Be wary of projects with anonymous teams, unclear use cases, or promises of guaranteed returns. Verify information. Cross-reference information from multiple sources to ensure the credibility of a project.